Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the LOL Surprise Mini Sweets Surprise-o-matic. It says surprise doll. So it's basically where there's a theme of candy, which I'll tell you right in a second. So you get an LOL doll. There's 9 surprises in this. So you get an LOL doll in here, and then there's a theme of a candy that you have your LOL doll. So I'll tell you all the themes right now. So you could get Twizzlers, Peeps, Bazooka, Reese's Pieces, Milk Duds, Chupa Chups, Sweethearts, Pez, Hershey's, and Jolly Ranchers. So let's get started to unbox this. Okay, so first I'm going to pull the zipper right here. I think my favorite part of unboxing an LOL doll is the zipper. Okay, let's be quiet for some satisfaction. But guys, it's not even ripping, it's just tearing. Okay, can you unzip, or like what is wrong with this? Finally. Okay, not really. It's not really unzipping. Okay, Bro, this is weird. What is this? Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna try it from the bottom. Okay, it's just gonna open like this. So, okay. It's just gonna open like that, so. Okay, so. Okay, so. Okay, it's not. Okay, come on, zipper, actually do something here. The zipper's not really doing anything. Is that like Diva? But no. That looks like Diva. I think I just saw Diva. Okay. Okay, why isn't that fully unwrapped yet? Why? Just like, why? Okay, finally. Almost unwrapped, I think. I don't know. Okay, okay, just get this unwrapped, please. I'm just gonna unzip it. Okay, or that. Okay. So I really want this to go because okay, I don't know what that is. Bro. I feel like I'm gonna have to speed this up or something. Oh, that's just a sticker. Okay, I finally got it. Okay, guys, I got it. So this is what it's like right now. This came off of it. What does this mean? I think I got this girl. She's a Jolly Rancher girl, and she's like very pretty. She's grape or something like that. Okay, this time will it actually unzip, or am I just gonna have to live with it again? Okay, this one actually unzips a little bit nicely, but not really. Okay, I don't. Okay. There's a lot of garbage here. I'm just gonna put that to the side. Okay, did we get all the garbage off? Yes, we did. Okay. Let's take this off. Whoa. Okay. This is just instructions. Is there a cover for that? I don't know. Okay. So, okay, so look at this. This is what it looks like right here. It's so cool. There's something at the back. I think that's a LOL doll because all the other ones are small. So let's start by number 1. It has a burger on it right there. What's inside number 1? Okay, no, oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so we got this little, I think it's a dress or something. Yep. Oh my gosh. Yep, it's her dress. It's her dress. It's her clothing. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It says Jolly Rancher on it. Yeah, so where's that heart? Where's that heart again? So, yep, we got this girl. You see? Same outfit. That's a very cute outfit. I'm just going to put it right here. Okay. So let's close up number 1. Whoa. Okay, let's go to number 2. Right here. I don't know what this is. It's like a little jacket or, ooh, what is that? Oh my gosh, it's a little Jolly Rancher wrapper purse. That's so freaking cute. Okay, that's so cute. So cute. Okay, so let's close that up. Let's go to number 3. Right here. Dude, this one's small. Oh my. Why is it going in there? Okay, I might have to get it at number 5. So I'm just going to open it. Ooh, what? Oh, it's going into all the way to the bottom one right there. Okay, where'd it go? Where is it? Where? Okay, yeah, okay. Number 3 went all the way to the bottom right there. Okay, so let's close number 5 up. Okay, so this is number 3. They're probably like mini shoes. Oh, it's actually the stand for her. It's a little cute clear stand. That's so cute. I'll put it right there. Okay, let's close number 3. Okay, let's go to number 4 right here. I think this might be her bottle. Yeah, I think this is her bottle. I think you could tell. Yep, I knew it. Oh my! This is so cute. Look at that. It's a little like coffee Jolly Rancher cup. That is so cute. Okay, let's move on to number 5 right here. Okay. Ooh. And it has a little cute grape on the back. I think that's like grape juice or something. But okay, these are shoes, I think. Huh. Yep, they're little miniature shoes. Oh, it's only one miniature shoe. Don't lose those. Look at that. That's like very high class. It's like a... Look at her wearing those. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. It's cute. I'll put the shoes right here. Miniature shoes right there. Time for number 6. Okay. I think this is the other shoe. Okay, it's not opening. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's the other shoe, I think. I'm sure it is. Yeah, it's the other shoe. The other shoe. Okay, so I got the shoes right there. Okay, so now we're going to do the bottom surprise. And then we're probably going to get the LOL. What is this? Like accessories? Look at her sunglasses! That are so cute. Okay, so this is everything that we have so far. Okay, so let's go to the back. So it's an arrow. So we pull up. Okay, I'm just gonna. What the? Okay, I'm trying to pull up. Okay, I pulled it up. Okay, it opened it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got this thingy. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, instruction thingies. Okay, so here is the checklist. Okay. So look at everyone right there. Okay. So we could get Treats Diva right here. We could get Missy Melts right there, the brown one. We could get Cute Bunny with the pink hair right there. We could get Hearts right here. We could have gotten a boy. It's called Bubblegum Boy right there. And Caramel Dolly right here. Okay, so what's at the bottom? Okay, so we could have gotten Swirly Pop right here. We could have gotten Raspberry Blue. We could have, okay, so the LOL doll that I got is called Graceful Grape right there. So we could have got Fab Watermelon right there. We could have got PB Boss and Strawberry Twirl right there. Okay, that's a cool checklist. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited to see her. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, you see her little feet popping up? Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at her hair. That is, oh my. She's literally so freaking pretty. Look at that. Okay, is there anything else in the back here? Nope, just this cardboard. Okay, so let's get her dressed and all dressed and ready. Look at these little yellow hoop earrings. Oh, sorry about that. Look at these yellow hoop earrings. Okay, so we're going to put on her dress right there. Blah, blah, blah. This is an actual very pretty dress. And I'll always know this is her dress because I know I don't have any other candy. Any other candy. LOL doll. So yeah. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna put her shoes on. Her high tops. They literally look like high tops. And then let's put her cool shades on. Oh. Ugh. Okay, okay, let's see, will it fit? Does it fit on her? Will it fit on her? I wonder if any of these LOL dolls have big sisters, or like younger little sisters, or like, you know what I mean. Like, or like an LOL OMG, imagine that with Candy. Okay, so she's all dressed and ready. Let's put her on the stand. Okay, oh yeah, so we put this into here, and then she stands like this. And then let's put her little sippy cup right next to her. That. And then let's put her purse next to her. She's so cute, like honestly. Write her down below what you think of her in the comments. Like, hope I didn't like miss anything because like, okay, so that will be the end of this lovely video. No, the end of this sweet video because you know, the candy. So that will be the end of this sweet video. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and comment down below what you think of her. Like, and how about, so name this LOL doll in the comments, and also comment down below what you rate her. Rate her out of 0 out of 10. Okay, so yeah, that will be the end of the video. Bye, guys.